Yes, friends, so I want to talk to you today about traveling. I've been very fortunate to travel to a lot of places, and I've been able to cross off a lot of these things from my bucket list, places to see. And so for that, I think I'm very fortunate. A lot of people don't get the chance to do that. If they do, it's like more later in life usually. And so I feel very lucky that I've been able to see a lot of the places I've wanted to see. So there's like this motivation to always like push farther and go higher, just because you want to see as much as you can see. Like you want to have the full experience, and you don't always get that in life. And so there's like this motivation to kind of push beyond that and see, what's beyond your usual, what you see every day. I think people, including me, we have this motivation, this drive to just to see as much as we can, to experience as much as we can. I guess that's what life is about. Let me show you. This is beautiful. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so why I do it is because like traveling to new places, you get to see new cultures. You see new cultures, they like shape how you think internally, and also the surroundings that the cultures create. So you have like this architecture, you have this certain way of life, and each place you travel to, it'll be slightly different. And the further you go out, the more different it will be. And so I think that's kind of the motivation why. And I personally do it because when you do that, it like makes you better. You experience more of humanity, I would say. So you understand like the troubles that face our world, and kind of all the bad things that we have to deal with, and also you get to experience like a lot of the good things, new people, new atmospheres, new ways of life. That last one, yeah, that's like a new way of life. But yeah, just the experience is worth more than the cost, I think, in most cases. And so, yeah, I definitely a huge fan of travel. Of course, there's always like haters and stuff. Like if you travel alone, there'll be people like, blah, blah, blah. There's like all these barriers and like communication barriers and different ways of doing things, different currencies, challenges basically. So when you face those challenges and kind of like understand the new culture, it's a really powerful experience. Yes, guys, so if you like this kind of content, then you know what to do. That's all I got for you this time. This is a two-parter, so I'm gonna have a second video. Stay tuned for that, and I'm out. Thanks for watching.